Now, as you guys can see, I have on my bifocals. I'm old, and I was sitting here just trying to stare into the camera, and I was struggling. My eyes are all over the place right now, man. It's not pretty. But you guys aren't here for that. You guys are here for the kicks. You want to see the Ninja Turtle Jordan 1s, and I don't blame you, because Ninja Turtles is one of my favorite franchises of all time. That's kind of like a tongue twister. Favorite franchises. But yeah, I love Ninja Turtles, everything about the Ninja Turtles ever since I was a kid, so it's only right for me to make a shoe to add to my collection. Before we get into the video, however, you guys know what's next. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification one time for your boy so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. Check out my socials and my website in the description down below. Any and all love is appreciated. You know, help your big homie out one time. Now, I don't want to talk too much because I've been posting a lot of videos that are like 15 and 20 minutes. I know some of you guys are like, yeah, bro, another 15-minute video. No, not another 20-minute video. So I want to keep this one short so you can get in and get out. I'm trying to be Floyd Mayweather of this video, just quick, in and out, the flash. So we just gonna get into it. Let's go. Each turtle has their own side and swoosh, as you can see. Here's Mikey, Raph, Leo, and Donnie. So the idea behind these shoes, I wanted it to look as if Mikey himself, or maybe like a fan, was just going through the city of New York and was just spray painting, you know, the turtles and other graffiti on the walls, kind of like paying respect. And so that's the look I went for. And then of course, I'm a Biggie fan, so I threw Biggie on there as well. And I wanted each turtle to have a sense of individuality, so that's why each swoosh is different, and the graffiti artwork for each turtle is different as well. Here's Mikey. You also have the cowabunga there. Pete's on the back. Raph. And of course you have the cheese dripping around the shoe. No, it's not a turtle shoe, baby, unless you got the cheese. Gotta have the cheese. And here we have Leo's shoe. This is probably my favorite drip. I mean, I think I like the cheese dripping on this side of the shoe the most. And then of course Leo's artwork is different with Donnie. And then of course you have the TGRI canister. Now I made this using like tubing I got off of Amazon. I took a cap off of another tube and I just kind of glued them on the outsides. The resin, or the ooze rather, is resin. I mix it with like a green pigment powder, and that gave me that color. Poured it inside the tube, glued the ends on, and then put the TGRI on it with vinyl. Painted the caps, and then used the silver vinyl for that right there. And then you got to represent the party wagon one time. You got the foot stinks, and then the shell that's on the front of the party wagon. And then I went with the wax laces instead of just regular laces or leather laces. I like the way this looks. You guys let me know what you think. So as you guys can see, I wanted the shoe to look and feel like a piece of New York. Dirt, the grime, I mean, they live in the sewer. Splinter's the big homie, but let's keep it a buck here. He's a rat. So the dirtiness fit. right? I mean, if you live in New York, if you've ever been to New York, I mean, that's any city for the most part, right? You go to any subway station, any train station, hell, you can just walk around outside. You're going to see dirt, graffiti, trash, all kinds of stuff. And so I wanted the shoes to pick that. So I didn't bother cleaning up the outsole or any spillage or anything like that. You know, I think it fit the overall aesthetic of the shoe. So I kept it there. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, as well as like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification one time for your boy. Hook your homie up. Until next time, appreciate y'all. Peace.